In this video, I'll show you how to fix stuttering and FPS drops in Need for Speed Heat with simple PC optimization tweaks that actually work in 2026. I click on the desktop and select New and select Text Document. Open the text document and check my video description for this text. Copy the text, paste it in the text document and select File and select Save As. Name it as user.cfg. Save as type all files. Encoding, set this to ANSI and select save option. So you can see it's created. Close tab here and right click on the game and select open file location. Drag and drop this file inside. And now you can launch the game. And now you can enjoy the game without having stuttering and FPS drops. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.